Have you noticed how your followers go up, then suddenly drop, and you are like, wait, what did I do? Here's the truth. Most people don't unfollow because they don't like you. They unfollow you because something changed in your content or in them. Let's talk about the real reasons people unfollow creators, not the dramatic ones, the psychological reasons. First, people follow for a reason and leave for a reason. Number one, your content changed. They followed you for tutorials. Now you post mostly selfies. They followed you for travel. Now it's all motivational content. It's not bad. It's just not what they signed up for. When expectations break, people quietly exit. Number two, you stop showing up. Consistency builds connection. When you disappear for weeks or months, your connection dissipates. Out of sight, out of mind. And when they say your post again, it feels like content from a stranger. Number three, too much ceiling, not enough value. If every post feels like buy this, click this, join this, share this, save this, follow this, people feel like customers, not community. Followers stay when they have that feeling being helped, entertained, or inspired, not hunted. Number four, your content feels repetitive. Same angle, same topic, same message. Even loyal followers get bored when nothing feels fresh. So it should be posting something new and exciting every day. People crave either learning the following. One, entertainment. Number two, inspiration. Number three, connection. If they stop feeling something, they stop following you. Number five, they outgrow your content. This one is not personal. Maybe they needed growth tips last year. Now they are in a different phase of life and different interests, different mindset. You are not a failure. Their journey just moved. Number six, negativity overload. Constant rants, complaints, drama. People come to social media to feel better, not drained. Energy matters more than we think. Number seven, they never wear your audience. Some followers came from viral posts, shares, or random reach. They followed in the moment, but your page was not really for them. Unfollows like this actually help your page. It refines your audience to people who really care. The truth, unfollows are not rejection. They are filtering. You don't lose your people. You lose the ones who were never meant to stay. Growth isn't just gaining followers. It is building the right ones.